Here's a quick video on replacing the case on a beat up Cadillac key fob. You can see the front here is pretty crusty, and I'm just going to swap this out. You just need a flat tip screwdriver. So first thing you want to do is remove the mechanical key on your existing key. Take that, pry this back cover here, separate that. I'll go ahead and remove this key. You can have it cut if you need, or you can just use the existing key. Pop that. Now if you want the Cadillac logo, these aftermarket ones don't have it, so you can just use the back here. But the finish, you can see the finish is a little different. So this is kind of a matte finish, and that's kind of a gloss. All you need to do here is take out this board, and I'm gonna remove the entire rubber piece. I just think it's a lot easier. And then I'm going to take this battery out. This is where I use the flat tip screwdriver. I'll put in the new one, positive side facing downward. Clip this back together, put in the mechanical key that's cut for the car, and you're all set. Looks a whole lot better, and it only costs a few dollars. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.